Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to blur an image in Canva. Blurring an image may seem like a simple task, but it can make a huge difference in your design. Whether you're looking to create a soft background effect or simply want to bring focus to a particular element, learning how to blur an image in Canva can take your design skills to the next level. By the end of this tutorial, you will be familiar with all the steps required to achieve a smooth and intentional blur effect in Canva, which will make your images look more professional and polished. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in Canva in the search bar. Look for the official link to canva.com in the search results. Clicking on this link ensures that you're on the legitimate site and helps you avoid any potential confusion with similar-looking pages that aren't the real deal. Once you have the website loaded up, log into your existing Canva account. Don't worry if the login page appears a bit different than what you're used to. Canva often updates its interface, but the core features remain accessible. After logging in, you'll want to open the specific design that you wish to edit. You can choose from your recent designs or navigate through your projects to find the right one. Allow your design a moment to fully load before making any moves. This ensures smooth operation and prevents accidental tweaks that you didn't mean to make. Once your design is ready, click on the image you intend to blur. You'll know you've successfully selected it when you notice a bounding box or handle surrounding the image. If your design has multiple overlapping layers, it can be helpful to zoom in a little and click directly on the desired image area. This makes sure you're working on the correct layer. Even if the image is set as a background, clicking on it should highlight it so you can proceed with the edit. With the image selected, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Edit Photo. In some older Canva layouts, you might see Edit Image instead. Don't worry, they both lead you to the right editing panel. If you don't see this option, double-check that you have indeed selected an image and not a text box or another design element. Once inside the editing panel, you'll want to navigate to the Adjust tab. This section houses the essential tools for tuning your image's appearance. Scroll through the options until you reach the Texture section, where you'll find the Sharpness slider. Here's the magic. To blur the image, simply drag this slider to the left. Moving it leftwards softens the image's edges and reduces the fine details, creating that gentle blur effect you're aiming for. It's wise to make these adjustments incrementally. It's easy to overdo the blur and lose crucial visual information. So try to maintain just enough softness to achieve your desired effect, while ensuring that important elements remain distinguishable. Also, pay attention to how the blur affects any text or icons overlaid on the image. A moderate blur can enhance text readability by diminishing the background's busy details. If the image ever starts appearing too muddy, slightly nudging the slider back to the right can help. Alternatively, you can use the Undo button for a quick comparison between the original and blurred versions. Many of the sliders also offer a reset option if you wish to start over from scratch. And there you have it. You successfully navigated Canva, signed in, opened your design, selected the image, accessed the Edit Photo feature, and applied a soft blur using the Sharpness slider. Remember to save your design, and you'll be all set to share your creative work with the world. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to blur an image in Canva quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to blur an image in Canva, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.